What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video we're gonna be so this is the level 1 level of scripting. So my icons are gonna look different because I'm using a different icon pack. But yeah, the first thing you want to do is you want to add in a part right there. Then you want to press the scale button, and then you can make this like however you want to make it big. And I'm just gonna make a red part for Kami. And then the next thing we're gonna do is actually add in a script into our service, not a screen GUI, a script. Alright. And also we're gonna add it, and then we're gonna name this red part. So you've created a red part, or whatever your color you're using in the script. Now we're gonna actually add in a script to this. So now we're gonna work on variables. There's 2 different variables I'm gonna teach in this video. I'm gonna start off with the one that's mainly used.
A name that identifies something.
We want to say local red part equals to script dot parent. So basically what a variable is that it doesn't know what the red part is, so we're gonna have to tell it what it is. And then if we don't have a variable, then we're gonna have to say game dot workspace dot red part. And I don't think you want to type that all the time. So now it knows what the red part is. Next, I'm going to teach you what instances are. An instance is an object in Roblox Studio. So if we want to make a new part, we're going to have to say local part equals to instance dot new part. And we're going to have to say part dot parent equals workspace. Yes, it doesn't know where to go. So now if we run this code, now our part is there. And you could do, if you wanted to, you can do screen GUI if you really wanted to. And then it would make a screen GUI in workspace. It's that simple. So now, I'm gonna change this back to part. But now, let's modify the settings in red part. So let's say red part, not return. We're not making much. So now we're gonna modify the settings in red part. We're gonna say red part dot, we need the dot, let's say, yeah, transparency, sure, equals 0.5. Now you don't always have to do this in scripts. You can literally just go to the red part and change the transparency from here, but this is a scripting tutorial. We're gonna use scripts. So now the red part, I don't know where the red part went. The spawn location is all the way over there. I don't know why I made it so far away. Alright, now it has a 0.5 transparency block. Now you can modify this with like anything you see in here. You can even change the material. So you can say red part dot material equals, let's see what's in here. You have to put an enum though, and then another material. I don't think I spelled, or maybe I didn't spell it correct. Then dot. Can make it mud if we wanted to. Now we have a material of mud in there. My lag. So there we go. Now let's use pre-printing stuff, but smarter. So now we're gonna have our code talk to us. So we're gonna switch to our server script one. So let's say, so you're gonna say print, this is something, code is talking to me. Alright, now you want to go to the top app view and press output to see this. Now we have this is something, code is talking to me. So your code is already talking to you. That is great. Now I'm gonna teach you the second variable. So the second variable, let's say, I don't know, Robux equals 5,000. Then we're gonna say print year Robux amount is colon. We don't have a Robux sign right now, but let's just use dollars. Then you want to go space right here, dot Robux. So now it's gonna print that we have 5,000 Robux because they told us to print it. Alright, so now we have our now we already have it talking. So now let's talk about this dot. You can go to the dev form dot. The dot means the amount of something. And also how I zoomed in, you just press Control and your mouse and do that. I'm not sure how you do on laptop though, if any of you are on laptop. So now let's say Robux again equals 10,000. 10,000. Right, now we're gonna say if Robux is greater than 50,000, and then we're gonna say then print year rich. And then we're gonna make an else print year broke. Make Robux by learning Lua and make games. Now it says here Robux learn Lua and start making games. And let's say our cash is 50,000. You put 1 at the end, I forgot. It will say you're rich. So that's what then, else, or if statements are, I should say. So this is what loops are. If you go print day 1, then if you do that, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. I mean, it will do all that, but loops make it so much easier. Let's write out for I equals 1, 5, do. Then we're gonna say print day space dot I dot colon still make Robux and spend them to make more and develop games. It says day 1 still broke, make Robux and spend them and make more games. And let's say day and do that all for day 5. Alright, so now you know what loops are. Now let's do functions. So let's say function layer name, and then we're gonna say name. we're gonna print this out. Name dot dot. We're gonna do that is needing to learn Lua. Oopsies. Is needing to learn Lua. Now we're gonna say oopsies. Now we're gonna say player name Gibbity. Why not? Now I'm just gonna copy. Oopsies. Now we're gonna do that. Next we're gonna say, I'm just thinking, I'm not Ohio, definitely no. Let's say, I think of a name. James. Now I'm trying to think. Kevin. Now he says Skibbity is needing to learn Lua, Kevin, so on, so on. I don't know what those are called. Yo, editor came in here. I forgot to say, this is the end of the video. Peace. So, peace.